All right, today I'm excited to tell you about 3 really cool features in this Haven floor plan. Some of these things people don't notice when they walk through, and I think it's really cool how we designed this in. The first feature I wanted to tell you about is what we named the plan after. We named it the Haven because it's a safe haven for mom and dad. So the way we designed this is that the master suite and all the living spaces, including the study and the bathrooms and everything, make it really a one-story home if somebody just wanted to live on the downstairs and they wanted to send their kids upstairs so they can get away from them. And that way when you have friends over, you're entertaining, the adults can be downstairs and the kids and their noise can be upstairs. So this is the safe haven, the Haven plan. This next feature is what I call the drop zone. Now, we've had a lot of the moms tell us they wish that they didn't have to spend so much time explaining to their husband and their kids where they forgot and left something. So what we did is we designed this plan where immediately when you come in through this garage door, which most of them enter through every day, there is a drop zone right here with all of the stuff ready to be dropped, and it's each thing has its place, and that way mom doesn't have to spend so much time looking for the thing that hubby or kids say, Mom, I forgot where I put my fill in the blank. All right, and the third thing I wanted to tell you about on this plan is that the Haven also contains the hideaway in it. So with the Haven for mom and dad downstairs, there's a hideaway upstairs. So this is the big game room you have for the kids, which they're gonna love. And then on top of that, they each have their bedrooms on either side of this wonderful game room space. So everybody's got their own space. Everybody can get away and get their own little peace and quiet. And that's gonna make the whole family live together a lot happier. And last but not least, I wanted to tell you about the incredible incentive we're running right now at Shaw Homes. Now, in the 35+ year history of our company, we have never done an incentive this good. Right now on this home, you can get $30,000 in incentive. What we can do with that is we can permanently buy down your interest rate, not just for the first year or something like some builders are doing. We can permanently buy down your interest rate, pay your closing costs, or take it off the price of the home. And if you let us buy down your interest rate right now, we can bring your rate down so low that it'll be like you have the payment on a home that's almost $100,000 below the price of this home. You heard me right. Your payment will be that of a home that's almost $100,000 less than this one. So don't delay, contact us today. Let's get you in to see this home or any one of our other beautiful move-in ready homes.